Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Hey, today we're at the Coakley Bay condos on St. Croix East End, looking straight out to the beautiful Caribbean Sea. I'm down by the pool right now, but we're gonna go show you a beautiful, fully renovated, brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo up in the end building. This place is high on the hill, awesome view, and again, it's fully renovated. If you're looking for a great place to live, or a great place to vacation, or even a possible rental, this might be an option for you. Let's go check it out. All right, here we are. The parking is right here, couple steps down through the corridor, and then here we are at N1 Coakley Bay. Check out the view from the front door. Nice. All right, in we go. Immediately to the left, we got a kitchen, and to the right, we've got the living room, dining in a nice little workspace here. First, let's go out and check out this view. Coakley's known for its views, and this is no exception. Again, this is an end unit, which is a big plus. That gives you that full eastern view, and then look how clear it is today. Look at the islands. It's so beautiful. That's Virgin Gorda, Tortola, St. John, St. Thomas, and you can get a little peek of Calabria too. Just an amazing St. Croix day. Love days like this. If you got a boat, man, this is the day to get out on it. Full length, single level unit. So you've got the long balcony, runs all the way down here. Beautiful view of the hills there. 7 hills at all for the better. Some of estate solitude, and then here we are looking again at that amazing view. Can't get enough of it. Chill out right here for some coffee, over there for some rum and coke. Good to go. Master bedroom here. But first, let's head into the main living area. Straight back in. Beautiful dining area. Kitchen off in the corner. 3rd bonus bedroom there, which is a closeout. So if you want to make that a office, you can do that. But look at the size of this space. Very, very comfortable. Get your TV off in the corner, AC up above. And then down here past the front door, we go into a brand new kitchen. Now keep in mind, this entire unit has been completely renovated. So this is a brand new kitchen. Quartz countertops, all new appliances, sink, faucet, dishwasher, everything is brand spanking new. So when you're out looking for condos and you're looking for something you got to renovate, this one's already been done, ready to roll. Super nice. All right, let's head in, check out the bedrooms. Right off the living room into bedroom number 3. Now remember, this is a convertible room. So hey, Steph, close those doors. Check this out. If you close this up, you have a nice private bedroom. Open them up and you're back to an office space, open to the living area. Really great convertible concept. Love that. Some people make that a solid wall, but I kind of like having both options. Nice big room, AC above, closet there, owner's closet in the corner. Sweet. Okay, we'll head back out. Bank a left. Here's guest bedroom number 2. Got a full-size king bed there. Very nice. Lots of light. And here we are looking back towards the front door. AC up above. Now remember, these units used to come with window units right up here, which is why there's a switched outlet there. You could do a light feature or something there if you wanted to, but this owner's upgraded to all mini splits, which are a lot more efficient and then a lot quieter too. All right, now we're gonna work our way back. To the left, we've got our guest bathroom here, all totally renovated, brand new vanity, toilet, and check out how beautiful that shower is. Super nice from top to bottom. Got a little soap nook there. Really nice tiled floor. And then here we bark out. So this bathroom services the bedroom here off to the corner, as well as the one that Steph just opened up. All right, let's head back down and check out the master bedroom. Back down the hall, past the guest bathroom, and into this beautiful master bedroom. Look at this. So sweet. You know, that's the one thing I've noticed about this unit. It's literally perfect. All renovated, all brand new, literally nothing to fix or clean. Move in ready if there ever was one. Been looking for a defect, to be honest with you, I cannot find one. Remember, you got your double sliders heading out to the patio and then into the ensuite bath. Again, all brand spanking new, including the shower. vanity, light fixtures, everything is brand spanking new. Fantastic. Such a nice unit. And then down at the end of the hall, you've got your laundry room, full size stacked. Nice and shiny. Perfect. What more could you ask for in a nice Coakley Bay condo? All right, guys, that's the unit. Now, let's head down to the pool, check that out. Okay, now I drove down to parking lot level here, so if you wanted to drive, you can. But there's also interconnecting steps that connect the unit, which is around the corner there, down to the pool and to the restaurant. Goat Soup and Whiskey restaurant, awesome. Closed for the summer, back open in December. But a great feature about Coakley Bay condos, because if you want to get a bite to eat right here, you can walk to it. Full service bar too. But check out this pool area, so beautiful. Looking back up at the restaurant that has an awesome view, and then back up to the units themselves. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you want to check it out, give us a call. Love to show it to you. And in the meantime, have an awesome St. Croix coconut tree tropical day. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that property tour. We got a lot more coming, so stay tuned. Appreciate your support. Please subscribe by clicking here. And if you want to check out more videos right now, click right there.